Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick repair. Behind me, 2011 Honda Pilot with a headlight out. So let me show you how to replace these on the quick and easy. The passenger side is the easiest. It doesn't require removing anything to get access to it. If you see right here in this crack, probably can't with the video, but in your eyes, you can see right down there where the bulb is. Let me swing it around. Right there is the bulb with the connector. What we want to do is twist that bulb counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and pull it out of its socket. My hands are totally going to be in your way, but you can just reach down in there and give it a good old twist, and then out it comes like that. There's the bulb. So now what we want to do, and reset you up, is pull off that connector. There's a little push pin. Push that down, bulb will come right off. So you can pull it out only about that far, but that's enough to get your other hand in there, pinch on it, and then it pulls right off. New one plugs back in, put it in its socket, and then clockwise, righty-tighty to lock it back in place. Sylvania Silver Star Ultra are my favorite bulbs. I don't get paid to tell you that. These are a nice combination of bright and durable bulbs. You want to do your best not to get oil and grease all over this glass cap here where the filament is inside. You can plug it in now or plug it in later. I think it's easiest to plug it in after it's already in its socket. So again, my hand totally in your way. It'll only go on one way, so you just kind of rotate it until it drops in there. There we go. Give her a twist. Nice. And then put the connector on. Perfect. Let's hop over to the other side. It's a little more involved, but still not too complicated. Now, the driver's side. Again, if you peer in this crack, you'll see where the bulb is. All we have to do is remove this plastic piece in order to get behind there to get access to that bulb. Having a pair of pliers like this or 2 flathead screwdrivers can get these clips out. Let me show you the clips a little closer. So just these 2 clips here, with these pliers, you just pull up on them. This little center piece pops out, and then this big base piece can come off. Same with this side. Now let me show you with a screwdriver. Just take a flathead screwdriver and do the same thing. You put it inside this little groove and you could twist it. This one actually popped out really nice. If for some reason it's hard to pop out, you can get a second one on the other side and then just together pop it out. Teamwork. I'll move the camera just a smidge. So now this whole top plastic piece separates right here. You see a little ring clamp, so just pull, comes right out. Doesn't take much effort. Now everything we did on the passenger side, we can do right through here. So nice and easy, lefty-loosey. That pops off, no big deal. You can't see what I'm doing, but there's enough space to get to that connector, and that should come right off. Get 2 hands here. Pinch, pull, boom, bada bang, comes out. New one goes in. I'm gonna put it in the hole first. Give her a twist to tighten. The connector back on. Boom. That's in. Easy peasy. Now we'll just put our plastic piece back on. Just pops in its little rubber boot. Just like that. Make sure it actually pops in all the way. Nice. Clip. Clip. And we're done. All right, there you go. That is how you can quickly replace headlights on this 2011 Honda Pilot. It takes maybe 10-15 minutes to get these headlights replaced and you're back on the road. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.